Good morning, everyone. Today we are the students of Sri Aurobindo Integral Education and Research Center, Rajgangpur. We are here to present our project. Our project name is Smart Irrigation System. Today we are presenting our project name Smart Irrigation System, in which we have added an automatic water pump, in which when the soil doesn't have sufficient amount of moisture, the pump starts transferring the water automatically, and when the soil gets proper amount of moisture, the pump stops the supply of water. Its advantage is that it saves a lot of water and times for the farmer.
The main objective of smart irrigation system is that it provides water to the plants based on its limitation of its moisture. In the simple way, we can say that if the soil is dry, then it will be provided water, and if the soil is moisture, then it will be not provided water. Thus, we can say that the water will be provided if in the perfect amount, not too much and not too little.
Let's talk about the component of the system. First, microcontroller. Here we have used the Arduino Uno. It acts as the brain of this system, and this one relay module which control the water pump and control the water pump through the signal of microcontroller. The moisture sensor. This is the soil moisture sensor. This measure the water content in the soil. These are the connecting wire and power supplier which supply power to the all components.
So now how it's work? The soil moisture sensor is placed in the soil. It continuously sends the reading to the microcontroller. If the moisture of the soil is below, then it automatically activates. If it reaches to the required temperature or the required level, then it automatically switched off. This continuous process it saves time and water. In the IoT, Internet of Things, the Internet of Things, that the data can be viewed in the automobiles or in any mobiles or any web pages. It also so that the farmer can be get monitored to these things.
So our smart water irrigation system offers many benefits in it. First, water conservation. It only uses the amount of water it needed. Second, automation. Automation reduces manual effort for the farmer. Third, energy efficiency. Pumps run only when it is required. Fourth, improved crop health. Plants get consistent watering. This can be applied in home gardens, farms, greenhouses, and even also in the urban farming systems. In conclusion, our project demonstrates how technology and innovation can make agriculture more smarter and sustainable. Thank you.
यह है हमारा प्रोजेक्ट जिसमें सॉइल सेंसर अगर सूखी मिट्टी के अंदर जाएगा तो यहाँ पर ग्रीन लाइट जल रहा है और यहाँ पर पानी स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, और जब हम लोग इसको सॉइल सेंसर को हम लोग गीली मिट्टी के अंदर डालेंगे तो रेड लाइट ऑन हो गया एंड पानी स्टॉप हो जाएगा और बजर बजेगा। थैंक यू।